What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and I am super excited because I have the KEF R series in the house. It is here. You can see it, and I'm going to get a chance to finally listen to a pair of R series speakers right here, because I've heard them in showrooms, but I've been wanting to hear them in my room for quite some time. Plus, I get the size that I want. Just a few months ago, KEF announced their new R series Meta, and I actually did a video because I was excited about it back then, and they sent them to me. And one of the things I said in that video was I really wanted to try the new size class. They have what I think of as a new size class. They have the R6 Meta, which I have here, and they also have the R2 Meta. Both of them are center channel, so you put them down horizontally under your television. You can watch TV and use a center channel, but you can also mount them vertically like the one that I have here, because they work in either orientation. And what that means is now you can buy basically 3, 5, 7 of these and use what I think of, and I'm going to test this out in my full review, as the same speaker for your entire bed layer or floor level speakers. And that is truly, truly exciting, because then all of a sudden you don't have to worry about tonal mismatch or anything like that, because you're using basically the same speaker. So you have the same cabinet volume, same tweeters, same mid-range drivers, all of that, and you just get a seamless audio presentation. So I've got the R6s here. This is the larger version. They also have an R2, which is a little bit smaller. But let me talk about this for just a second. If you plan to purchase the R6, these are about a little over 47 pounds. They're about 30 inches long. I think they're 18 inches wide or deep, and about 13 or 14 inches tall. So this is a pretty big box. So if you have trouble carrying anything that's close to 50 pounds, definitely make sure you get help. I was able to bring these up the stairs by myself without any help. It was just one box at a time, but that's what I was able to do. But I just wanted to kind of tell you that. The other thing I want to mention about shipping is these are traditional center speakers, so it's one speaker per box. So if you order, let's say 7 of these, because you want to, really fill out your home theater, you're going to get rather 7 boxes. They sent me 2, so I've got a stereo pair here, but you will get 7 boxes. So just wanted to make you aware of that if you order the R6 or the R2. Okay, now the other thing about this is the Meta material. That's the big, let's say, update to the R series this time. And what they've done is they've created a material to put in the back of the tweeter cabinet. And what that does is it basically absorbs any sounds that's resonating from the, towards the back of the cabinet, and it absorbs all of that sound. So it should give us better, cleaner tweeter performance. That's what the Meta material does. So that's what they've done here. They've given us much better tweeter performance with this new R series. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be listening for. That is what I'm going to be testing for. But I am going to be comparing these to my own Orendo Sound 1723 Monitor S speakers, which is a similar concept in that you have a center speaker that can also be used in the vertical orientation. I will be comparing those. Comparing those to these, I should say. So if you want to see that video, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. All right. So thank you, KEF, for sending me these. I'm really excited. I want to get these out of the box. Vertical, horizontal, these speakers should work either way. I'm going to try it out. But I want to go ahead and get these out of the box. First thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to take this off the table, because these things are pretty big. But I'm going to take this off the table, then I'm going to get this unboxing. All right. I'm excited, as you can tell. They sent them to me in the gloss black, so I've got my gloves here for the gloss black. Don't want to get any fingerprints on them. The grill for the speaker in the box. beautiful. She really is. So here they are, the R6 Meta. I have them in the vertical orientation here and the horizontal orientation right here. I really like being able to do this with speakers, so I'm looking forward to just kind of trying out this orientation 2 different ways just to see how it sounds in this room. I'm really looking forward to spending some time with these speakers. But I have to say, these speakers look fantastic in this high gloss black surface finish. They're very dense. I almost feel like jewelry. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've reviewed I actually have a pair of the Q150s, excuse me, from KEF, the LS50 wireless 2s and the LSX 2s as well. And all of those are nice speakers, but honestly, this cabinet for this R series Meta is just next level. I just like it a lot. In fact, you probably saw this during the unboxing. I kind of made a mistake during the unboxing in that I bought the speakers up in the box. I was so excited, I forgot to put a tablecloth on my table. So when I started pulling them out of the box, I realized I didn't have a tablecloth. I didn't want to scratch the surface finish. So I went and I grabbed these little cloth bags here, just to kind of use that. And then eventually I found my tablecloth, so I was able to put that down. But like I said, this is a really nice set of speakers. I've got the speaker grill here on this one. I can just pull it off just like that. It's magnetically attached. It's really nice. Feeling it really nice in the hand. But I am looking forward to sitting down and spending some time with these. So I will be talking about these in a review in a couple of weeks. So drop your questions in the comment section below and I will try to answer them. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't, so that you'll be alerted when this review drops. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, KEF, for sending these R series Meta, but specifically the R6. I really appreciate it. I'm just gonna get to my review process. I'm gonna break these things in and just start listening. So I'll talk to you guys next time.